Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the employee module. For that, you have to come up to the side navigation bar. Under people, click on employees. Under the member section, you will be able to see the list of all of the members which are visible inside your organization. Now, just to understand this, it gives you the total number of members which are there in your organization, out of which how many are online and how many are on remote. Out of 23 or the total, how many are on leaves for the specific date. Now further, how many employees out of online are working means what are the timesheets available for those specific members. For that, you will be able to see the segregation of which is the platform they have been recording. The data comes up here. This is the web, Linux, Windows, iPhone, Mac, Android, Chrome extension, and the web tracker. Further, on the onboarding status, it gives you the information of out of how many invited members, how many have accepted the invite, and out of how many invited, how many have cancelled the invitation. This is the data that will be able to see and identify the number of users which are available inside your organization. Further, in this section, you will be able to see that the segregation of the members with respect to the specific person has come up. Now, this card is going to give you the information if the person is working as remote, what is his email ID, what is his role, what time has he checked in, is he working, what is the device type, the data is getting tracked from, what is the version that they are trying to track the data from. Is the person visible invited? Is he tracking? Is unable or disabled? Further, in this section, this is the area where you can click and go to the dashboard of the specific member. Click on this section, you'll be able to edit, copy the still token, download the silent file for the member, disable the tracking or remove the member. This is the view which will be available for the organization owner manager and the delivery head. Now, this is the shortcuts of the view of the modules for the specific member. You can click and go and you can see the data. This is the grid view that we have. Now, similarly, we have the table and the graph view. And these information are available in their section as well. This is all about the member section. Thank you.